In New York City, every inch matters, especially in a kitchen. This space originally felt tight, outdated, and short on storage, with a layout that made everyday tasks harder than they needed to be. Our process began with understanding how the homeowner really lives, refining the footprint, improving the flow, and selecting materials that would brighten the entire apartment. With a mood board built around clean lines, modern finishes, and light-reflecting surfaces, our team moved through demolition, electrical upgrades, plumbing adjustments, and precise cabinet installation, bringing the design to life piece by piece. From planning to build-out, every step was coordinated to handle the unique challenges of New York City renovations. And the final result? A bright, functional, beautifully modern kitchen that finally feels open, elevated, and truly designed for city living. If you're ready to transform your New York City home, kitchen, bathroom, or full apartment, MyHome is here to bring your vision to life. Visit myhomeus.com to get started today.